Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to center text vertically in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. We can see here many text. Now I am want to align the text in vertically. At first, select the text. Go to the home menu. Select text direction drop down menu or orientation. Now I make the text vertical. Then select the cell again and make the alignment. You can align top, bottom, middle, or center align, left align, or the right align. Now I make center and middle. Now we can see we center text vertically easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.